Where is it? Where is it?
Start to walk that way. Or start to walk the other way.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's right. You said over there.
I didn't pull something from over there. And then kind of rotate around the table with her. She's catching the air coming through. And there you go. Good.
And she was like, her nose when we first came past her was like right there, and she like, kept going. So.
Well, the fan's right above us is going to push the odor away.
Where else?
She's like, woo, that was a brain puzzle. It took me all of like 3 seconds to find it. Ooh, nice turn. Yep.
Oh, good girl.
Good. How'd you see her? Get that edge way over there. And that's why, like, the dogs have a change of behavior, and you kind of have to let it play through, right? You don't know where it's going. If you can continue walking, it's easy to then think it's coming from something. Another skid turn.
Yes?
Yes.
Good girl. Wow, she's doing great tonight.
It's low. It's climbing.
Where else? What did you say?
Oh, I said it's low. It's climbing up.
Oh.
Yep, there you go.
Oh, yes. Ah.
She's like, woohoo, 2 treats. And that's where people are like, oh, why would you give them a treat early? Aren't they going to quit? I'm like, no, they're not human. It actually motivates them. It motivates them to find more because then they get more pay. I think that's what they should do. You turn in a project and they're like, if you put this, if you do like project even better, we'll give you another 25%. And if you do it even better again, we'll give you another 25%. Yeah. You're getting close.
I think, yeah, she wasn't sure either, so.
And just sidestep if you're not sure. There you go. Good girl.
You know what, I think maybe we could tell that like, she started to perk up her vision a little bit more. I wasn't
Uh-huh.
sure.
Yeah. Like they get this glare. And some dogs even tilt their head. Like, one of mine used to alert me